Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I did my twist out with perm rods. So I'm going to start off with taking a medium sized piece. Now I'm going to tie up that top half and I'm going to go in with olive oil and I'm going to brush this through that section. I'm going to go in with my Can To curl activator. I'm going to put this all over that section and I'm going to finger detangle it through with my fingers. And then I'm going to twist up this section and add my perm rod to the end, and I'm going to roll this all the way up to my scalp. Now I'm going to repeat these steps all over again. I'm going to go in with my olive oil and I'm going to brush it through. Now I'm going to go in with my Can To curl activator and I'm going to put this all over that section and I'm going to finger detangle it and then I'm going to twist it up and add my perm rod to the end. I'm just going to tie up my hair for the night and I will see y'all in the morning. So now it is the next day. I put on a second headscarf because my hair was flying everywhere in my sleeve. So now I'm just going to take down all of my perm rollers. Now I'm going to use some olive oil and I'm going to put this all through my hair and start unraveling my twists. Now I'm going to go through my hair and I'm going to start separating my bigger curls. I'm going to show you how I would normally style it. So I'm going to take these 2 bobby pins and pin my hair back on one side, and that will be a look that I would normally go with. So these are my final results. I hope you like this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.